Hello everyone. So in previous couple of videos, we talked about XTask create parameters, the pointer parameter of a task or thread. In this video, we'll focus just on the last parameter of XTask create. What is that for? And again, deferred for other videos is the stack size conversation. So I have a task here. I create one task to print hello, another task to print world, and that's being done because one task receives a hello parameter, the other one receives a world parameter, and they just print their own message. Now, how can I leverage this last parameter? So this is basically a parameter that FreeRTOS will return back to you, which is the task handle. So, and I will say I'll have two task handles. So hello task handle and a world task handle. So you just need to give it a parameter. Null pointer is fine. That tells FreeRTOS that I don't need a task handle back. But in this case, let's say I do need a task handle back. And I'm going to create another task here just to demonstrate this example in particular. I'm going to call it suspend example. So the idea is I want to have another task here that simply waits, let's say, 7 seconds, and its job is suspend the hello task, suspend the world task, and suspend self. Not a hugely meaningful program, but the idea is you want to suspend the other tasks and then be able to suspend yourself. Let's see if this compiles. Okay, so what I have done is basically created a third task that will suspend these two guys from running. So normally these two guys are printing a message every 3 seconds, but about 7 seconds later, you'll see that these tasks will stop running. If we compile and run this project, you'll see hello world, another hello world, and after that, it will basically, well, it should suspend. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, I lost my output. Okay, here. All right, so let's see what is going on here. All right, so I found a bug. So that copy and paste bug. So when I created the suspend example, I should have passed a null handle. I was overriding the world task handle. So let's compile this one more time and run it. And what we'll notice is we'll have hello world, another hello world, and then it will say suspending tasks. There you go. And after that point, it would have suspended the other tasks. So you'll no longer see hello world running. What's interesting, which is a little bit of a side topic to get into, is it actually printed hello world 3 times, not twice. So I was expecting with 6,000 greater than 6,000 milliseconds, I was expecting that it would only print twice. But I think what's happening here is these tasks, they print a message immediately upon starting. So there's a startup message, another message at 3,000 milliseconds, another message at 6,000 milliseconds, and then it actually suspends. So you get to see them print a message 3 times before the tasks are suspended. So to recap the video, the last parameter of XTask create can be null. If you want the task handle, you can pass it in like, it should be a task handle something, pass the pointer so that FreeRTOS can populate that pointer correctly. And once you have the task handle with you, in this example, another task can use a task handle to suspend the other guys. This is just one API, but basically all APIs that need a task handle, you will have, you would have enabled those APIs. So this is just one example. There's more examples like, task resume. There's more examples of, hey, tell me how much CPU this task is using, how much stack space this task is using. So the task handle is used for other APIs also. And if you don't have this last parameter here, the consequence is that all APIs that need a task handle, you won't be able to use them because you won't have the task handle. So this is how you get that task handle back, the pointer, that you can then use for all the task handle type of APIs. All right, thank you.